Welcome to a waterfront sanctuary of unparalleled luxury and opulence. This signature residence stands as a testament to craftsmanship and elegance, situated on a large allotment with its own quayline and pontoon, offering the epitome of coastal living in Raby Bay. As you enter through the wrought iron electric gates, you're greeted by the splendour of professionally landscaped Japanese gardens and a championship-sized floodlit tennis court, setting the stage for the magnificence that lies within. Step inside this masterpiece of craftsmanship, where light-filled interiors and soaring ceilings create an ambience of sophistication and grandeur. Every detail, from the sweeping suspended concrete staircase to the abundance of glass, reflects a commitment to luxury and comfort. Entertain guests in the tremendous formal dining room before gathering in the family room and chef's kitchen, complete with a separate butler's pantry. Upstairs, two luxurious master suites await, each with outdoor balconies offering captivating views of Moreton Bay and Stradbroke Island. A glorious conservatory provide a serene space to relax and reflect, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Discover three more expansive bedrooms, each with its own ensuite and walk-in robe, offering comfort and privacy for family and guests alike. Outside, a covered terrace overlooks Moreton Bay and the main canal of Raby Bay, providing the perfect setting to soak up the magnificent afternoon canal breezes and ever-changing sunsets. This waterfront paradise is more than just a home. It's a haven of comfort, elegance, and unparalleled luxury.